we're gonna make some homemade pizza, or take home and assemble it together. So we've got the kit here, and got some cheese, and we got some mushrooms. We're gonna cook hot dogs later, but we've got some more cheese. We've got some pepperoni. We got the sauce. And then we got some more little mini guys right here, which I'll have my boy kind of read these and see what we got to do to make this happen. But that's what we're going to do. All right, so we're preheating the oven now at 400. We typically have to warm it up for any old other pizza at 400, so I'm doing that. If it's lower, that's fine. But that's that for that. I'm gonna get ready to. What kind of pizza do you want to cook first, son?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Let me go get my stand. Stand by. So I guess what we'll do first is we'll open up the package. In this case, we've never made this before, so this is a new adventure for us. And I got to figure out what black pieces my son is talking about. What are you talking about, black pieces? You mean like burnt on pieces? Yeah, we just got to scrub it off, that's all. So we got a pizza thing over at the Goodwill, and it was like $5. There we go, it's $4.99. And it's actually, I think, for the grill. Get some pizza up there, but what does it matter? Use it here in the oven too. He's talking about these here, and it seems like there's some little spot resting, and that happens with these things if they're not used. And I think that might have been the case where somebody bought it and never used it, and it hung and hung and hung, and then rust started to form on the stainless steel. So a little bit of sandpaper, that takes it right out, but we'll see if we can take that out with the steel wool. That might work. Okay, I gotta figure out what this this bag is on the bottom. There's a bag here. Oh, you know what this is? This is so it comes with a bag, everybody, that you would, if you're not gonna cook the other crust, you could put it in here. That's pretty cool. Comes with its own kind of thing to keep it, and it feels sturdy but not hard. It feels like a big tortilla that you would get, and a ready-made tortilla, soft tortilla. All right, did you get it cleaned up? Couldn't get it off? That's okay. So did you want to put the sauce on?
Sure.
Okay, come on. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up for you, okay? Pop. You hear the pop? Mm-hmm. It means it's cool. If you open up a jar, guys, straight from the store, and you don't hear that, you're in trouble. Do not eat it. So I think what we'll do is we'll get a spoon. I dropped my knife. So I think what we'll do here is we're gonna dig in there and then kind of spread that around like this. I think that's what we usually see in the movies. But you know what? Good thing about homemade pizza is that we can make it the way we want. We can even use spaghetti sauce. There we go. There we go. Spread it out nice. Add a little bit more. Get a couple more spoons out. How many spoons are this? 2?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do 2 more. It looks like 2 more will do. Over to the sides where it's not covered. Yeah, 1. There we go. Get another one right there too. Let's spread it around. What do you think? Think that's cool?
Yeah.
There you go. All right. Now, what do you want to put on next, you think? Let me see that spoon. What should we do next? Do you think the cheese, right?
Yeah, cheese.
Or pepperoni? Cheese, okay. Well, let's see what cheese we want to use. So we got the mozzarella because we figured we know he has mozzarella. But we went over to the other store and we found one that actually said pizza. So I think maybe we'll use the one that says pizza.
Yeah.
Cool. And I think we'll cook both of them so we don't need that preservation bag there. What do you think? Got the, go ahead and spread it around like the way you see in the movies. Let's get some of that mozzarella in there. Let's open both bags, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm gonna do like this, kind of sprinkle it in there. And let's get the pepperoni. Where's that at? Oh, there it is. Wow, that's looking really good. You guys want to get some? You want to get some mushroom or spinach on it, or you do the next one?
You do it on the next one, yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Does that one have a kind of open part to it? Nope. It's okay. That's cool.
Oh, I think it's just making this. Oh.
No, here it is. See? Gotta peel it.
Oh.
So here, don't be fooled. If you see one of these, there's a part here that you can peel back. And so we're discovering, folks. This is the first time we're making a pizza. We would make homemade pizzas, don't get me wrong. But they're usually from, you know, French bread. We put together, we put some like spaghetti sauce in there, right? And some cheese slices. That's real homemade. All right, grab some pepperoni. Oh, here you go. Here you go.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, that resealing thing is it works well. So let's place it on together, huh? How many do you want to put? This is a thick. I think this is a thick cut. So we're putting the pepperoni on now. And if you can hear the beep in the background, that's because the oven is ready. Oh, gee, we almost brought out just enough.
Yeah, we just need 2 more.
Go ahead, you do it. Is that good enough, or you want more?
Yeah, that's good enough, yeah.
All right. So, how long do you think we're supposed to put it in there? Did you read it?
Nope.
Okay. Let's take a look. Maybe it has something in there. It says 7 to 10 minutes, folks. So that shouldn't take too long. And then it says, oh no, we didn't brush it with olive oil. The crust.
Uh-oh. We can add some. After, you know?
Yeah. I'll tell you what. Let's add some. Let's add some olive oil. Get that olive oil. Is that olive oil? Nope. Get that one over there. Yep. Let's see it. Okay. And it says to brush it, but we don't have a brush.
Yeah.
So what we'll do is put it in a little bowl. And put it in a little bowl. That's what we'll do. Put it in a little bowl. Okay, guys? So this is how we're going to modify this. Since we don't need much oil, we can do that. And brush that on like that. There you go. How's that sound? Now, you guys can't see it, but we've got a pup just like eyeballing it. Waiting for pepperoni to fall. So
It
that's
is
what
such a
I'm
quiet night.
Yeah. Did you want to try this or no? No?
No.
It doesn't look very appealing to do, right? So now we know though, we need a brush.
Want to add like it oil?
Huh?
Oh, want to add oil?
Yeah, let's kind of drizzle it, huh? I don't think it needs it, but it's meant for the crust. Okay, so now that's done. Okay, so the oven is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and get this in the oven. I should have And now it's 10 minutes away. It says 10 minutes, so we're gonna do it for 10 minutes.